Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. We're going to get right into today's video, and today's video is from a company called My Paper Box. They offer 2 monthly subscriptions. This is the mini subscription, which is $9.16 a month. You get 3 personalized notepads, and each month there is a new theme. And they also have a grand subscription, which is $23.75 a month. And that one is, each month is a new theme also. And it's filled with personalized stationery products, such as notepads, thank you cards. Sometimes there's holiday cards, birthday cards, and you still do get personalized notepads. I wanted to go ahead and let you know that I did cancel this subscription. I think I've gotten it 3 or 4 of the months, and just to keep my channel fresh and not with the same subscriptions each month, I went ahead and canceled the Bookcase Club and this from the My Paper Box to bring in some new subscriptions. So this is the My Paper Box February mini subscription. Comes in a nice packet, and the other side just has my label on it. And we're going to open it up, and this is how it comes. So it comes nicely bundled from My Paper Box. So we'll take that off. That. And then, just to basically, since this is February, will you be my Valentine? So it's cute little card included. The first tablet is, I would think it's red, but it's almost like a hot pink and red. To-do list tablet that has my name on it. So you can see the thickness of the tablet. So that's the first one. The second one is Maureen's Meal Planner. And it has the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday with a shopping list. And you can see the thickness of the tablet. And the papers on this one is very thin. Usually it's a thicker paper, so you guys can see that. And this one, does have, my name on the top. And then you can see the thickness of this tablet. And this is a ruled tablet. And this just says Maureen's Doodle Pad. And it has cute little Valentines, hearts and things like that on it. Paper is a nice thickness. Like I said, you get a decent amount of paper. So that is the My Paper Box February mini subscription. You receive 3 personalized tablets. And like I said, I did go ahead and cancel this so that I can bring some new subscriptions to the channel. They are going to be the Allure box, the FabFitFun Fashion box, and a box that is called the Adore Me box. So they will be coming probably this month at some point into the channel. So remember to like this video, share with all your friends, and leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. And thank you so much for watching today, and have a great day. Bye.